Counties across Michigan are short on prosecutors, which they say is having a real impact on criminal cases. Prosecutors are now asking for $230 million from the state to fill dozens of openings and add more positions to make sure that every case gets the attention it deserves. News 8's Byron Tollefson spoke with two West Michigan prosecutors about the problems caused by this shortage. Byron.
Brian, the state has 40 openings for prosecuting attorneys, and it's smaller counties that are especially suffering.
Thank you.
West Michigan prosecutors say every county across the state is dealing with the same problem. Too many cases and not nearly enough attorneys to prosecute them.
We were pretty thin. We're pretty thin in terms of to the bone.
We've been chronically underfunded and as a result are short staffed.
Kalamazoo County Prosecutor Jeff Getting has been short on staff for nearly 2 years. He's still trying to fill 2 openings. Even if he does that, he says he's really a dozen lawyers short of what he really needs.
So we're going to prosecute 2,300, 2,400 felony cases in a year, and I'm trying to divide those cases amongst 10 assistant prosecuting attorneys.
Kent County Prosecutor Chris Becker needed 2 attorneys almost all of last year. Replacements are set to finally start soon, but he also says it's not nearly enough.
We're fully staffed, but I think we could still use more bodies.
When positions open up, they don't get nearly as many applicants as they used to.
We used to get 30 to 40, now we're getting 2. It's just so it's a different world out there.
They're losing high-quality candidates to law firms and public defenders who can pay a lot more.
It is not even close to an even playing field right now.
Making things worse, Getting says he's seeing more criminal cases coming his way. 3 years ago, he says he had 650 pending felonies on a given day. Today, it's nearly 1,200 cases.
We're just continuing to ask more and more of people who are overworked in one of the highest stress professions that exists out there.
Another problem, they're going through way more evidence nowadays, combing through hours of body camera and cell phone video. Becker's office can't even cover arraignments anymore. And it's not just criminal cases. He hasn't had the staff to cover drug treatment courts for months.
As we had to pull somebody out because we can't cover it at the time they're meeting, we've got the normal court responsibilities.
The Prosecuting Attorneys Association of Michigan, known as PAM, lists 40 statewide openings on their website. Nearly every county in West Michigan has an opening for an assistant prosecuting attorney.
Going through the list that Pam had, most of them in our area were the smaller counties.
The smaller counties, they can't afford it, so they're not attracting them, so it's really putting pressure on those smaller counties.
So Pam is asking the state for $230 million from the next budget. Each county would get $2.7 million to hire more attorneys and victims advocates and raise current attorney salaries so they can keep them.
If you're not paying them well, it's just like anything else. You're not going to get the type of lawyer that you need to fill that role.
Becker says they need ethical, strong attorneys who understand the importance of the job. And if he can't get them,
you're going to have the worst case scenario in terms of you're going to get people who can't get jobs elsewhere, who don't, really understand the role of the job, that you're going to get, you can have wrongful convictions. You can have, stuff like that happen.
The state budget is expected to be finalized by late June. Pam tells me they're still working to get the money that they want.